So mother with me said, I say, you give thanks for the seed I think. Some come here, some come yonder, some be dead. When it did, we ancestors for helping Gullah. When I make sure, all the way from Horse to this your land, that seed come here, that seed the weed, that seed that when we farmers keep coming. Pray under the blessing, that whole time, another 500 years. And this year, please come to them. We say, I say. This your day. Then we call out the name of the ancestors who learned the farm, how to put the seed in the farm, and had a day at the end of the day. They blow and clear out the small ones. Because they don't want to go off the small. But see you to carry on. They see them children still be in the field back of yours. That's it. Stay in the field. Stay in the field. Because it ain't going to have you there if you ain't got nothing for me. You have a notion. Others of people in the country are dry long so. They're the country you forget what 100 done God. So you have whole time what God done bless you with. And don't shame your elders. Don't share your ancestors. I say, I want to put the hand in the ground. Heal it. Then it's your God. If every day, all the rest of people live in the country. If healing and holding on who heard us, every day, they become. They're the type of next door, these y'all are going underneath the wall. But they ain't a God. So when they throw your ancestors, yeah, that's the meaning for you. Go.
Yeah, them be mean for evil. God make them good. That we still there, like our ancestors, who they be teeth for our bulan. Bring that seed in here. Still hold them in my hand. Still take them and chuck them in that same sand. Where them adaba them be over them. Now I find them, like they been a do. Oh yeah, still nyamming for that Carolina gold too. We be the one who hold the seed, another generation.
The whites,
the Yeti, when we elders.
and you gave me
how the elders don't know how to do.
And I planted a
Yeah, right
so
in the Gullah
all
Geechee
end up
nation.
the same color.
The one still, the seed holder, for
They
true.
all taste good to me, so I ain't worried about it. I said they all taste good to me. I like those kinds, so I ain't worrying about it whichever way.
White or red?
That's right. But that's interesting that they did all come out the same color. The purple ones are purple though. The purple ones are purple. They are like green with purple eyes.
And red is.
I got. Going on the ground. Ain't no breeze. That's why I ain't blowing off. Yeah.
A lot of the fine stuff.
Yeah, but not the big pieces.
Thank God. We still got we elders. Still got the woman them. But they are in the Gullah Geechee nation. From Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida. Panisha, 180 vote call it Sea Islands. Still all Panisha. The grandson them for our Bulan. So this year day, we stand all on the children. So that's the strong woman around the world. But still, the God is see it. Some did it. We got to see it. God, I'm still there on the hand. Some did it. The plant Jonah. Yes. In this year, sun. Oh, some did it. Still got them bread. Right here. In here. Like we ancestors. Bring them here. Throughout the diaspora. Around the world. Had the seed. Way hard for. Hard thing for Nampan. Where we get Jonah. And things like that. why Adam sow. Oh, but even though he's sowing into this, into the here, yeah, be all the way the blessing come from. But the sowing into the land where we still a stand. The why these other rest of people are try for thief from behind. Because you know say the seed that the power for true. So this your day. He called upon Hannah children. Yeah, for true. For Hannah join we round the world. But what will you do? But not let them. For rock we taught all. But tell we can't hold upon this seed. Plant them in ya. Plant them in ya. And plant them. We will stand in this your soil round the world. So we family. The farm bull and thing like that. I ask them for nyampan too. Because see, if you control on a food, it control you. So of all the 100 children, I got to shut the hotel. I'm Queen Quet, chiefess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. And I honor all of you that have joined us today, that know seed is power, but the power is only fully ignited when we stand together, when we continue what our ancestors did, growing their own food, having the security of knowing what you are eating and when you'll be able to eat. These companies are not trying to illegalize us passing on what we call the heirloom seeds for no reason. Heirlooms of any kind are always valuable. Heirloom seeds are valuable, but they have power when they're planted. So today we pray we have seeded your soul with power around the world to ignite, to stand, to pass on the tradition of how to keep the seeds, whether braided into your hair. More than that, today we braided into your mind, strength, power, and legacy. And it is only with seeds that we have things that grow, that feed the body. And when the body is strong, the mind can be clear. And when we see the mind, it is the mind that stores the real power that they want to deplete, that they want to program, to tell you that if we go into laboratories to get food, it's better. That if you go to a store to get food, it's better. It's better for whom? It's better for those who want to control the world's food source. And as I said in my language, Gullah, that if they control your food, they control you. So don't let someone else control that which you eat, because then you are the one then in bondage. So I find it an honor to have been asked to be a part of this rally today. And here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, as I've shown you just a little journey through our land, I pray that you are blessed by the power and the energy and the blessing for all those who continue to hold on to the tradition of farming, and especially the seed holders. We honor you. We pray those blessings from our land to yours, to your hands, to the sand. And we pray that your sand remains blessed and fertile, and that you remain blessed and fertile in your heart, in your soul, in your mind, in your body. And the more that you grow your own food, the more you sustain yourself, the more you are self-sufficient. Know that we all have more power and we'll continue to grow together. So don't let anyone ever take away your farming tradition, and most of all, your heirlooms. Pass on that knowledge, pass on those seeds, and bless the next generation of seed holders the power is within us to do so. And that power becomes even more intense as we become that growing culture around the world that binds together to take the stand for the land, for the cultures, for the communities, for the people, that we are seeding the next generation to be self-sufficient, not dependent, but independent. And that is truly what the battle is about. The landless against the landlord, and they want to be lord over you. That one that controls your food source can attempt to lord over you and be the madabadem, try to control everything that you do. And that's why for the farmers, for the seed holders, they are trying to prevent the power that is within you. But today stands as a historic moment that shows that they are not the lords. We are the stewards of the land. And that is why our hands have been blessed to hold on to the seed to pass down from one generation to the next and to then plant it in the land. So continue to stand. And from the Gullah Geechee Nation, we stand with Honor Children for True. Now, please journey with we. Go to GullahGeecheeLand.com. Email we. We want Yeti for Honor, wherever Honor to be. If you're on Twitter, if you're on Instagram, we're at Gullah Geechee, GullahGeechee. And Honor can always find me on Facebook, Gullah Geechee Nation, or at GullahGeecheeNation.com. And we have a lot of coming events and activities all right here. In fact, even today on our land. As we go out of harvest season into another planting season, we are in celebration here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And in the midst of it all, we beat the drums with you, because there's always that power in the drum. So don't let them take your beat away from you by weakening you and saying to you that you are not the one that should control the source of the food so that you would be secure. Instead, hold upon your seed, because as you hold upon the seed, you hold the power for this generation, from the ancestors from the past, and for the seed we're coming from we for the future. Continue to plant the seed in the land and continue to take your stand. Seed is power, and we glad that we standing with Honor in this hour. Tanky Honor children. May this year power-filled culture seed holders and farmers continue to grow, because ain't for man for tell we what for do. We that do this upon the land, because God says so. Peace, blessings, love, safety,